Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix the problem when you want to install Call of Duty Mobile, but you can't seem to find it on your Google Play Store using Blackview BL6000 Pro 5G. So in order to do that, let's open our Google Play Store and actually try finding Call of Duty. As you can see, there's no proper game, and now in order to fix that, we'll need to go back, press on our profile icon, here select the settings, go for the family, then parental controls, and here you'll be able to fix it two ways. First one is to disable parental controls entirely by typing in your PIN and clicking right here. Next option is to go for apps and games, entering your PIN, click OK and increase PEGI to at least 16. Click OK, then save, and now let's go back and try searching for Call of Duty again. It's right here and we can install it. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.